Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to professionally and properly clean an engine. Personally, I like to start underneath the hood, spray all underneath, like this. Here I have a special degreaser. I spray all over underneath the hood, even fabric. You do get a lot of debris under here. Grab a soft bristle wide brush and just scrub away. I like to use a harder bristled brush for the fabric, so don't forget to scrub the fabric as well. Again, like I said, it does get a lot of debris under the hood. Now guys, if you YouTube search on how to clean your engine, you will quickly notice that many people use water, and that with me is a big no. Personally, I like to use a steam cleaner. Alright, before I get to the steam cleaner, I like to spray some degreaser on the engine bay, just like that, just like I did underneath the hood. You don't want to go too crazy. Let it sit for a little bit. Here's a steam cleaner. I like to use a microfiber cloth and compressed air to quickly dry. This last step that I like to use is this special spray. You guys can use some type of shine, whatever you want to use, but just, you know, start spraying. Try not to get it on your windshield. Another secret I like to use is a microfiber cloth with air as I wipe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to drop a like, drop some comments, feedback, and let me know what you think. Take care.